Oh my god. That was way too detailed. That was weird. What the f was that? I have to be tripping. That is insane. I gotta tell Brady about this. He's not gonna believe me. That was weird. Yo, Brady, you're not gonna believe this. Taylor was literally...
That's my wife.
Brady, yo.
What?
You gonna act like nothing just happened? What was that?
I have to put the vlog up in 5 minutes. What?
Were you not just having a conversation with my ex-girlfriend on the bed?
You mean Taylor from the videos?
Yes.
No,
Am I losing my
bro.
goddamn mind?
She lives in like a
Never
different
mind,
state.
never mind, bro.
Okay,
Never mind.
work.
Forget about it.
Sorry.
Just forget about it. I am actually going insane. I need something to eat. Hey, Johnny, can you hand me the cereal? Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
What is going on right now? Is this just me? You know what? Can't do me wrong. Some fresh air. Taylor? What are you doing in my backyard?
What are you doing in your backyard?
Well, this is my backyard,
I
right?
didn't know you lived here.
It's not obvious. Hold on.
What are you doing?
Hold on. Wait, have you been here all day?
Yeah,
You've actually been here.
yeah.
Oh my god, I thought I was going crazy. When did you get here?
This morning.
You just... Are you confused as I am, Zay?
I don't know what's going on.
Just,
to be honest.
just visiting. Just visiting.
You're just visiting.
Yeah.
Okay. You're...
What are you doing,
I just gotta make
Tanner?
sure you're real. This...
Hey! What are you doing? Yeah,
That's her real teeth.
with your real teeth?
Yeah, no, yeah. I don't know what to say. I thought I'd been going crazy all morning. I had a dream about you last night.
You were dreaming about me?
I mean, yeah, not like that. No, it wasn't anything weird, but like you're in my dream. Listen, I haven't seen you in like 11 months.
I know. This is weird.
Do you want you want to hang out? Do you want to hang out or like you busy? I don't know why you're in the backyard, but we could do something.
Okay, can you show me your house? I didn't know it was yours.
Yeah, no, I'll show you around the house for sure, okay? Do you believe her?
I don't know, man.
Should I go with it?
Are you gonna show me your house?
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, we'll show you around the house.
Yeah?
Welcome
Intruding?
to the beginning of today's vlog, guys. Welcome. It's a pleasure to have you here. It really is. Do you want to get in the background?
This is where the beginning of today's vlog is.
Yes.
Yeah, you not bring those Chick-fil-A, or you just
Yeah,
telling
thanks
us
for
you're
that.
going.
I appreciate that. Anyways, guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. This is probably weird for you, as it is weird for us. Taylor, Alicia, is in the building, guys. You might remember Taylor from, we made a couple of videos together, just a couple, right?
Not that many.
Guys, Taylor is in California right now. I can't believe this. This is her first real time at my house. She came to look at this house, which is kind of weird when I first came here to shop for this house. However, she's here and
How you feeling?
This is crazy.
Is this weird?
It's a little crazy because.
Is it weird?
Hey guys, this is not weird at all. Weird completely. Everything has normal as it was 8 months ago. So Taylor is down here for a couple of days. We might be filming some more videos together. If you want to see that, make sure you comment them down below. I've actually changed a lot. Life has been kind of crazy the past 8 months.
I can see that.
You know, I am actually, speaking of which, I'm a drummer now.
You're a drummer?
I professionally play drums, yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can I see you play the drums?
Oh, you want to see me play the drums? Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm good at drums, right? I kill it. Mateo's funny. That's Mateo. You know Mateo.
Yeah.
Hot
Oh,
Wheels
we're actually
room.
good. Like, I might consider getting back together with you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, and this shouldn't be too hard. Let me just.
Okay.
What'd you think?
Do you want to show me the rest of the house?
Yeah, but like, what'd you think about the drums? Like,
I mean-
it was good, huh? It was crazy.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, it was cool. Oh, cool.
Not like-
Should I show her like some other stuff?
You got any new cars?
Actually, it's funny you say that.
Wow, that really makes
I did
me
get a new car.
interested in getting back together with you.
I did get a new car.
Let me see your
Yeah,
car.
let me get the keys for it, actually. Hey, is that a sidebar? Yeah, this is going great. She's psyched totally into me still.
100%.
Found them. Got them. We can just go this way through the
Okay.
other side of my house.
Oh, it's kind of big.
Yeah, it's not bad, you know?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
It's
These are my roommates. You know, I live with my roommates.
Do you?
Yeah, I live with my friends now. So, you want to see the new car?
Yeah. Let
Yeah,
me see your
okay.
new car.
So this is
Wow.
It's not this. This is Mateo's
Oh.
car. This is Mateo's car. No, come on, come on. This is the GTR. You might remember it. This is the same GTR.
Wow,
if
the
you remember
reason
the
I fell in
GTR.
love. The day
Yeah.
I fell in love with you. I mean.
The day you
Not
fell.
the reason,
Yeah,
the
not the
day.
reason. That'd be. You'd be a gold digger if that were the case, right?
I'm
She's
not
funny.
any
She's
of
still
that.
funny, guys. She's still got her sense of humor. Taylor. This is the new
Wow.
car. This is the new car, Porsche GT3
I
RS.
really like it.
Yeah. No, it's a good car.
I really like it.
Yeah, you like it definitely makes my personality a lot.
You look really
cooler.
good today.
I look really good today? Wow, you didn't tell me that earlier.
Well, I just forgot to tell you.
You forgot to tell me. You're so nice. Oh my god, give me a hug.
I know.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, she's-
Yeah. Okay.
check out the inside, please.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, 918 carbon bucket seat.
Maybe we should do a Porsche launch reaction.
Yeah, for video.
I did bring shirts that make my boobs look bigger than they actually are. So.
Oh,
that's
wow, she came
I
prepared.
did.
What do you think?
Do I look good in
What do you
it?
think? We'll have to take that out later, maybe.
I mean, if you want me to stay longer, that's probably what you should do.
Yeah, you know, we'll talk about it. I actually have another profession. What's up?
Help me out.
With
Like
a
friends. Help me out like a friend. Thanks, bro.
No problem, buddy.
Was that what I did?
Yeah,
Sorry to come by the bed.
that's actually the pink hood that you wrapped.
I did this.
You did that, actually. That's funny. I forgot about that.
Aliens took over.
For a little bit.
Now what?
New profession. You know I make YouTube videos. I was a professional scooter rider. You know, all sorts of cool ass. I don't know if you knew, Taylor, but I'm actually a professional FMX rider. You know what FMX is? You know.
No.
So I'm well, go ahead and tell her, Zay. What I do?
He's really good at dirt bikes.
Really good.
He's got his own track.
You ever seen
For
anybody
real?
jump a dirt bike?
No.
Girl, you stay right here. I'm gonna come up this here hill. I'm gonna press the shit out of you, okay? I'm
You're
just
gonna-
warning you.
You're gonna what?
You might.
The shit out of me?
So I'm gonna impress. You're gonna think of me as a new man. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I'll go get in the dirt, cause I'm a man now.
Okay. You're a man now?
Yeah. No, I own a house.
Wow.
Yeah. Anyways, I gotta go run down this dirt hill now.
Okay. Wow, that was so manly of you. You're welcome. All right, T-Fox brand, let's see. Oh, let's see what you got.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of insane. Listen,
Wow, so
I could give you a freestyle demo all day long. However, that would take a lot of time, and I don't want to overwhelm you.
maybe I should stay here a couple days so you can show me.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't see an issue with that. What else could you think
I
about?
mean, now that you have a Porsche and all that.
Yeah, no, I do have a Porsche now. We've been just being funny this whole time. Guys, all jokes aside, this has been a weird and very fun video to film. Taylor is back. This is the first time I've filmed on my camera. We filmed a video for her channel earlier today.
What's up, Fox fam?
This is
Missed
just
you guys.
weird.
This is weird.
Is actually just like
I missed the Fox
crazy.
fam.
I haven't told anybody that you were coming out here. Like, I didn't tell any of my friends.
I didn't tell a soul.
What do you think people would say if we called them and tell them we got back together? Or
Let's do it. Isn't there people in the house? So we
should
can
we
do
go
it?
try to? Because you haven't seen Bear today, have you?
I haven't seen Baird.
What do you think he'd
Let's
say?
get Baird.
I want an honest reaction.
Let's
All
do it.
Let's go do that. Baird's in the game room right here. He's editing. So Zay, you go in first, act like you're just chilling, and then have the camera. And then I'm gonna come in, and then we'll tell.
Okay, got it.
We'll tell.
What's up, bro? What's up, Doc? What you up to?
Just hanging out. Just a little bored.
For that, I'm just editing my videos. Yeah, you're bored, bro. This takes so long to edit.
Man, yeah, I just.
It takes me like 2 hours to edit a whole video.
What's up, Bear?
What's up, dog? Just editing. What you up to?
Yeah, I gotta tell you something, bro.
What?
I'd be really curious your reaction. So I've been talking to. We're filming this. It'll make sense in a second. I have a friend here that I think I just need to. It'll explain. Just here. You come in.
Stay here?
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Come in.
Okay.
So you two know each other, I think.
Wow! Hey! Long time no see. How are you doing?
Good, how
Wow,
are
it's
you?
been a while. Sorry, my hands are kind of sweaty. I've been editing.
Yeah. So that's why obviously it makes sense we're filming. But I've been talking to Taylor for a couple weeks, and I think we're getting back together.
This isn't a prank, is it?
Well, dude, she's here.
Well, yeah, I mean,
She's from
Whoa.
Arizona.
Yeah, I haven't seen you in like 8 months. That's wild.
So
I mean,
I just had to come tell you. I thought it'd be cool to get on a video.
yeah, I mean.
What do you think?
I don't know what to say. I'm like kind of
Shocked? I don't know what to say.
Do you approve? Like, do we have your?
Do you want an honest opinion?
Yeah, of course.
No, I don't approve. But this is really weird. Do you want to talk but we could talk like off camera. It's kind of weird.
Yeah. Never mind. This is actually a prank. It's a joke.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my
Dog,
god.
don't scare me like that, okay? This is the second time you've done that to me, bro.
Yo, man, I didn't think you were gonna say that.
Bro, I was like thinking about so many different things when she walked in. I was like,
She is actually staying here though for a couple days.
okay, that's fine.
was
You guys aren't together though, are you?
We'll see.
What do you
Your
mean?
hands are really sweaty though.
Yeah, I've been editing.
Anyway, sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you, but we're gonna go.
Okay, all right. Nice to see you, Taylor. Good to see you.
Hey, say.
Dude, I don't know. I'm just
What
here.
was that?
I'm just on the
What was
job,
that?
dude. He just told me to get here, film.
No, but for real, like, are they actually together? Are they
I don't know.
It's not a prank.
I
is
don't
it?
know. That's the.
Dude, how did he get Taylor here without me seeing that, bro? I don't approve of that.
I don't know, dude.
I don't approve of that. All right, I'm gonna.
You just keep editing.
Yeah.
Now, since we pranked Baird knows. We're gonna see what my mom thinks. We're gonna call my mom.
I don't like this.
We're gonna FaceTime because she does not know you're here.
Do just you first.
I will.
Oh, I'm like overwhelmed. I don't like this.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, honey.
One sec. I just wanted to call you really quick. So, the past few weeks.
Oh, I love your hat.
Thank you. It's new.
Oh, it's so cool.
Thank you. So the past couple of weeks, I've been talking to somebody,
Yeah?
and I just wanted to kind of share with you because you're
A
my mom.
girl?
Maybe.
Yeah?
You ready?
Yes. Who?
Hey.
What?
Me and Taylor are getting back together.
Can you see my face is red? Bright red.
Aw.
You are getting back together? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so awesome. When did you get here, Taylor?
This morning.
You did, Taylor? You didn't even tell me. Oh my
Mom.
God.
Mom, I feel bad. We're just kidding. But she is staying here for a couple of days.
She's there.
She's here. Yes, Taylor is actually here for a couple of days, but we're not officially
What?
back together.
What do you mean? Honey, you're not BSing me. I know you're not.
Yes, I am.
You know why you're not? Because you told me you weren't going to BS me anymore, remember? Remember? No more pranks.
Did you promise no more BSing?
I probably did.
Yeah.
No more
probably did.
jokes, no more pranks. Remember the big prank with Taylor and you said you would never do it again?
Well,
Remember that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
well,
I'm still not over that.
here we are. Yeah, no, Taylor is here for a couple days though.
That's awesome.
All right, bye, mom. Love you. I'll talk to you soon.
I
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I hung up.
love you. I felt bad.
She was like really excited. Wow. I think we got a pretty good both ends of the spectrum.
I
Well,
think so too.
guys, Taylor's gonna be hanging out here for a couple of days once again. So if you have any ideas, anything you wanna see from us, be sure to comment down below. Also, new T Fox brand line is coming out March 9th. Check this hat out. Just check this hat out.
March 9th, guys.
Check that out. Look at the inside. Fully custom. Ooh. And the shirt. And new apparel. March 9th with a very, very big announcement that I can't wait to tell you guys. So without further ado,
Let's roll the Fox fan.
Hey guys, make sure to like and subscribe to Tanner Fox, and don't forget to cop his new merch on tfoxbrand.com. Alright, let's roll the outro.